The White House facing backlash after calling on social media companies to flag what they consider misinformation about COVID-19. This as cases of the virus in nearly every state are on the rise. The nation is averaging 25,300 new cases each day, more than double that of a few weeks ago, but far below the worst of the pandemic.
Now is our moment to really double down on our vaccination efforts and our other prevention interventions.
Los Angeles County, the largest in the nation, is now reinstating its indoor mask mandate.
We will be implementing an order requiring masking indoors, regardless of vaccination.
160 million Americans are fully vaccinated, and so far the vaccines are proving effective against the Delta variant. Health officials say the majority of people getting sick are not vaccinated, and the White House blames what it calls misinformation circulating on social media.
Today, I issued a Surgeon General's advisory on the dangers of health misinformation.
2/3 of people not vaccinated, he says, believe common myths.
Myths like you can get COVID from the vaccine, which is absolutely not true.
Now, Press Secretary Jen Psaki says the White House is in regular contact with Facebook about flagging posts seen as problematic.
We're flagging problematic posts for Facebook that spread disinformation.
And asking the social media giant to step up enforcement.
There's about 12 people who are producing 65% of anti-vaccine misinformation on social media platforms. All of them remain active on Facebook.
Critics slammed the move, saying it infringes on the First Amendment, pointing out experts have frequently been wrong, like the theory COVID started in a Chinese lab, once banned from some online discussions, but now considered credible even by the World Health Organization.
As you know, I was a lab technician myself. I'm an immunologist, and I have worked in the lab. And lab accidents happen. It's common. I have seen it happening.
Conservative commentator Katie Pavlich tweeted, reminder, Fauci worked with Facebook to ban the lab leak theory, which is factual, for more than a year. Journalist Glenn Greenwald tweeted, this is the union of corporate and state power, one of the classic hallmarks of fascism, that the people who spent 5 years babbling about fascism support. The White House says it's careful not to politicize the vaccine, but critics argue their latest move is another expansion of government power, this time over free speech. George Thomas, CBN News.